Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Okay, guess this part too, but all this stuff I'm sharing with y'all, I've been hearing about this stuff on social media, watching videos, folks talking about people been get the most people getting fired is white folks, and they saying that what MAGA is mad, the MAGA people mad because the old president not supporting their farms or something. They losing their farms. The soybean, the Chinese people are buying it from some other country because they don't want to spend that extra money on the tariffs and stuff, so they buying stuff elsewhere. So this country lose those coins, but I've been hearing telling on the internet and social media that $2,000 checks supposed to be spent on Americans are coming from the tariff excess funds and stuff being made. So I don't know. They're going back and forth with that. People say they ain't gonna believe about no $2,000 check until it's in the bank. Now, how they gonna manage to do that when they not trying to pay people that don't belong in this country? I don't know. How you gonna weed out who to send the $2,000 checks to? That's what I want to know. How they gonna do that? They gonna look at last names? How is they gonna do that? Then I hear tell they overhauling the. Y'all know what I forgot to do in the first part of the video. I forgot to mention what I had purchased, and y'all see what it is. Oh man, that's messed up. Part 2 gonna have to be telling y'all what I actually purchased. I got celery seed, not celery salt. I don't deal with that excess salt. I watch a lot of videos, content by some of these content creators, and they put a lot of stuff that got a lot of salt. I can tell you now, I can't do it no more. I can't even use smoked meat no more anymore. My sister told me a while back. It didn't bother me back then when she told me. She said that stuff full of salt. It probably was affecting her then, but now, shoot. Oh my God, one day I cooked some food with some salt, with some smoked meat. I like my head like the blue fuse, and now I see why people say they can't eat no pork and all that salt and stuff. It do something. Something broke down in me, and I can't have all that sodium no more. So if one day you eating something with some smoked meat and your head start busting and just booming and aching and just throbbing, that means that salt then took its toll on your body, and you can't have it anymore. I guess the only way you would have to eat that smoked meat is you got to cook that meat first, try and boil all that old excess salt out of there, and then use it for flavor. It won't be as tasty. It'll just be, shoot, if you want to eat that, if it's possible to boil all that excess salt out, then go for it. That's why they say that stuff ain't healthy for you. It might make that food taste good, but eventually it is destroying your insides, your system getting tore up. I see people enjoying what I used to enjoy. When you don't train yourself, teach yourself, educate yourself about certain foods that down the road right now don't bother you. I watched well, she ain't that young, this woman on her channel. She eat a bunch of sweets. I mean a ton of them. Her little man, or should I say her husband, he getting swollen. He can be, that's all inflammation. When your face and stomach, butt, arms, cheeks, face just swell up, that ain't nothing but inflammation, and that's unhealthy. Just swelling up. eating all that sugar. I mean, just throwing down sugary sodas. Ain't thinking about nothing. Now, I did that when I was a child. I ain't thought about nothing that. It didn't bother me. It didn't hurt me. Because my body was working correctly. Now, I guess I didn't blew out my doggone insulin, doggone tools, equipment. I'm on the God, I'm all over the place. I should be talking about these groceries. I just get carried away. Oh my God. But anyway, what am I talking about? Oh, people just eating and not caring. And this other woman, I watch her channel, she cook all kind of stuff and put all kind of butter and all kind of greasy stuff and all these excess seasons in her food. Ooh, it's a, not only her, but it's a, I ain't mentioning no names because I'm not here to hurt nobody. I can't hurt you if you don't know who the heck I'm talking about. But I probably don't care what I'm saying. But some people be sensitive. So I ain't trying to share no name, but these folks, they just loading down the food with all this sodium and stuff. That's I buy mostly salt-free seasonings. Now I do have a lot of packets, but my thing is with the packets, it's not as bad as I see a person that use salted celery, salted garlic, salted onion, seasoned salt. Then they using more other kind of season that got some more salt. Boy, that's just too much. Too much. And I know down the road as they age, one day they gonna eat something and their head gonna throb and ache and they about to pass out or have a stroke. Because that salt gonna catch up to them and that sugar gonna catch up to you. Diabetes, high blood pressure. That's why you should eat in moderation. And I ain't trying to preach and judge at all because that's why I'm in the condition I'm in, because I didn't pay it no mind. And here I am toe up and now I'm repairing, but I don't think it's gonna be as it used to be. Never. Can't never go back. Can't go and stuff myself with salt and fats and sugar. Now, yeah, you might see me bake some sweets and all that, but that don't mean I'm over here guzzling down. I pick on it. Cause it ain't going nowhere. I ain't got to eat 9 slices of cake and all that old kind of stuff. But I'm doing okay. I'm losing weight. I enjoy my salads and all my vegetables and stuff. Eating where I don't get sick. Cut a whole bunch back. No all that sugar, not all that salt, not all that fat. I watch my cholesterol, my salt and sugar, all that stuff. Cholesterol, salt, sugar. Yes. Ain't got nothing to do. You be old, shoot. And your body should say, okay, that's enough. You done wore me out. But even a young person, like I say, if they just knew, if they only they knew, but maybe they do know, but they don't care because they keep on abusing their body. And that's why I say I cannot judge and criticize because I did the same thing. That's why yeah, so let me tell y'all what I got up here. I got some celery. I got a can opener. I don't even know if I mentioned this in the first. I said that already. But I got some great value products. Fire roasted diced tomato. I got some classic holiday sprinkles. Great value for my sugar cookies. I got some maraschino cherries. Great value. Everything good value, I guess, except for this can opener. I don't see nothing wrong with great value. Some people will say, oh, I want some name brand. Shoot, great value is doing me good. It's good price. I know people yelling and screaming, ooh, everything going up. Yeah, I check out things on the great value. I said, ooh, it wasn't that price before. It has gone up. So that's why I said, I better give me a few more cans of this before they raise the price again. At least I'm stocked up because, shoot, I'm all right. I ain't rich. I'm struggling like everybody else. Like they say, black folks gonna make it through. That's what anybody, if you got your pantry straight, you got ingredients to make a meal from scratch. Talking about struggle meal, food, beans, and rice. Are you kidding me? That's the backbone of the meal in the kitchen. Some beans and rice. Are you kidding me? All the people be putting all that smoked ham and salt, pork in them beans. But you can cook them a different way. You ain't got to do all that. Especially, you know, people know like I know. That stuff run your blood pressure up and give you a stroke. You ain't careful. Keep eating that mess, guzzling down your stomach all swole. That is inflammation. Your face swole, your belly. I've been through it all. And then once you deflate, your skin all flabby. You got to work out extra to get your arms toned, legs toned, belly toned. And if you go too far, you got to get cut. Because you'll have all that flabby skin and stuff. I know a young lady, she losing weight, one of the content creator, and her stomach was way to her knees. And I know as she lose weight, that thing ain't gonna do nothing but be a flapjack. She gonna have to have that skin surgery. A lot of large people, they scratch. You wouldn't even believe it. I'm finna get out here, but you wouldn't even believe such a thing was possible. Your skin scratch. Your body, hey, you get old. Back in the day, these people lived 700-900 years old. Can you imagine? And we're having children in the hundreds, while they was up in the age of 100, still bearing children. Those was good days, till all the sin began. But anyway, I know. Let me get back to what I'm talking about. Don't well, anyway, I don't nothing. Do whatever you got to do to make it survive. Well, I must remain, well, I ain't gonna say, to each his own. You become what you make yourself become. Because like I say, it's lots of hustles in the street to make money. If you know the need and the want and the service, shoot, you can make some change. You can get a meal. You know how to cook from scratch. I'm out, because I'm just running on and on. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, do the hype thing, and if you don't know where it is, it's down there by the comments. Swipe to the left till you get to the word hype and click on it, and help us sister out on this channel. All my channels. Y'all know I got a grocery channel. Y'all know I got a well, this is the grocery channel. Y'all know I got a crafting channel and a gardening channel. Tomorrow there will be a gardening video where I'm just showing a hat on one of my characters. I'm trying to make them all hats, but I got to get busy. All right, that's it. Y'all have a good one. Happy holidays. Bye. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.